Welcome to Easy Elite English, Kolkata. Now in this video we are dealing with phrases in grammar. Phrases in grammar. What are phrases? Phrases versus clauses. The difference. Types of phrases. Noun, adjective and adverb phrases. Uses and transformation of sentences. Changing phrases into single word or single word into phrases. So phrases in grammar from Easy Elite English, Kolkata, phrases in grammar for junior school, and this is a mobile view special. There is a mobile view special, that means this can be viewed even on the smallest mobile screen without loss of clarity. The text would be perfectly clear. So if you are watching it on mobile, write in the comment section how the view was. Was it clear? All the text clear and crisp? So tell us in the comment section if you are viewing it on mobile. This is mobile view special, phrases in grammar from Easy Elite English. First of all, similarity between phrase and clause. Similarity between phrase and clause. What is the similarity? Both are meaningful groups of words. First similarity, both a phrase and a clause, meaningful group of words. Second, both a phrase and a clause are units forming part of a sentence. It's not a sentence, but forming a part of a sentence. So first, both of them are meaningful groups of words, although they do not form complete sentence, but they are units forming a part of a sentence. Now let us see the example. There is a single word, this is a phrase, and this is a clause. The difference we will see in the next slide. A single word, Indian. Phrase, from India. Clause, who comes from India. Costly or valuable. Single word, costly or valuable. Phrase, of great value. Clause, which has a great value. Golden. Single word, golden. Phrase, of gold. And clause, which is made of gold. Fast. Single word, fast. Phrase is at great speed. And clause is which was moving with great speed. At a great speed and which was moving with a great speed. That's a phrase and clause. And now we will see why the second column is a phrase and the third column is a clause. The difference is that a phrase has no subject and no finite verb. A phrase has no subject and no finite verb. It makes sense but not complete sense. A phrase has no subject and no finite verb. It makes sense but not complete sense. In the morning, it makes sense but not complete sense. On the table, an honest boy. At night, at 10 a.m., with water, due to rain, a sad story, a cold wind. All of them are meaningful, but they do not make complete sentence or complete sense. A noun phrase does the work of a noun. A group of words which does the work of a noun. It's a phrase doing the work of a noun. A noun phrase is a phrase that's a noun equivalent. It's a noun, but instead of being a single word, it's a group of words, but it's a noun. It may work as a subject, it may work as the object, or it may work as a complement in a sentence. That is the work of a noun. to work as a subject or an object or a complement in a sentence. So it's a noun equivalent which will do the work of a noun. That's a noun phrase. We had a long and cordial discussion. This full thing is a noun phrase. Why? Let us replace it with something else. We had a cup of coffee. We had coffee. We had coffee. We had a cup of coffee, or we had coffee. If coffee is the object, if that is noun, then we had coffee. So we had a long and cordial discussion is also the same thing. There is a that's what we call an object. We had coffee. Coffee is an object. So we had a long and cordial discussion. A long and cordial discussion is an object doing the work of a noun. The careless driver hit the tree. The careless driver is a human being, is a man. So a man hit the tree. A man who was driving, the man hit the tree. So a careless driver, this is actually a noun and doing the work of a subject. It is a subject of the sentence. He sang a mournful song of the 90s. Let us say he sang a song. He sang a song. So a song would be object. So he sang a mournful song of the 90s is also an object. A group of words which is doing the work of a noun. It's a noun equivalent used as an object. Here it is used as a subject. It can also be used, here it is used as an object, but it can also be used as a complement or a subject or an object. So it is a noun phrase which is a noun equivalent. It's a group of words which is doing the work of a noun. An adjective phrase does the work of an adjective. An adjective phrase, a group of words which is doing the work of an adjective. It can be regarded as an adjective equivalent. It's an adjective equivalent. It qualifies a noun or noun equivalent. Let us see. It's a matter of great importance. Of great importance is an adjective. How can you say that? You can also say it's an important matter. It is an important matter. So important would be an adjective. It's an important matter. So a matter of great importance is, there is an adjective phrase qualifying matter of great importance. Give me a sheet of fine texture. You can also say give me a fine sheet of paper. So fine sheet. So fine sheet, fine would be adjective. So sheet of fine texture, this of fine texture is doing the work of an adjective. I have a ring of great value. You can say I have a valuable ring. I have a valuable ring. So valuable would be an adjective. So I have a ring of great value is also an adjective. Ring of great value. So of great value qualifies the word ring. Of great value is an adjective equivalent qualifying ring. I have a valuable ring. Valuable is an adjective. So of great value is an adjective qualifying the noun ring. So it is an adjective equivalent, but it is a phrase, so it's called an adjective phrase. Next, an adverb phrase does the work of an adverb. An adverb phrase does the work of an adverb. An adverb phrase is a phrase that is an adverb equivalent. It's an adverb equivalent. It is equivalent to an adverb. It modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. He moved with great agility. How did he move? How did he move? It is describing the verb move. Adverb. Give me a sheet without delay. Without delay means adverb of time. Give me a sheet now. Give me a sheet immediately. Give me a sheet at once. Without delay, an adverb of time. When to give. Give is a verb. When to give? Without delay, adverb of time. I made a ring with a lot of care. How did I make it? With a lot of care. You can also say I made the ring carefully. With a lot of care, you can use one word carefully. Without delay, you can use one word immediately. So these would be adverbs. So with great agility, without delay, and with a lot of care, these are doing the work of adverb. So these are adverb phrases. With a lot of care means carefully. Modifying, made, adverb of manner. Without delay means at once or immediately. Adverb of time, modifying, give. So these are phrases which are adverb equivalent and they are called adverb phrases. The following examples will show you how to identify adverb phrases and how to transform sentences. The work was done with great care. With great care is adverb. Why it is adverb? You can write the work was done carefully. The work was done carefully. Carefully is an adverb. So with great care is doing the work of an adverb, adverb phrase. He speaks in a loud voice. He speaks loudly. So loudly is an adverb. So in a loud voice, it is doing the work of an adverb, adverb phrase. The snail moves at a slow speed, or the snail moves slowly. If slowly is an adverb, then this also must be an adverb phrase. So this is how we transform and also identify adverb phrases. Next, how do we identify adjective phrases? Adjective phrases. Here is a sheet with no writing on it. With no writing on it describes the sheet. You can here write, give me a blank page or give me a blank sheet. Give me a blank page or give me a blank sheet. So, blank is an adjective qualifying this paper. So, here is a sheet with no writing on it. With no writing on it is also an adjective. This is a field covered with grass. Covered with grass. It is describing the field. You can say, this is a grassy field. So this would be an adjective. So this is also an adjective equivalent or adjective phrase. He is a man of great intelligence. It is describing the man, an adjective phrase. Or he is an intelligent man. There is an adjective, intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. So a man of great intelligence is doing the work of an adjective. That means this is an adjective phrase. Next, the following examples will show you how to identify noun phrases and how to transform sentences. I like to play football. You can say I like to play football, cricket, hockey. You can go on extending, or you can say I like sports. I like sports. So this single word is a noun. So this is also a noun. And incidentally, you can see this is an infinitive. An infinitive is a noun equivalent. This is a food eaten by cattle. This is fodder. A food eaten by cattle. A fodder, animal food. So if this is noun, then this is also noun. A noun phrase. I enjoy watering the plants. I enjoy gardening. Both the things are not same, but we have shown that how to identify. You can substitute the nearest single word to know that if this is noun, then this also should be noun phrase. Football is not sports, but you by a similar construction, parallel construction, you can see that if this is noun, then this also should be a noun phrase. That was Easy Elite English. WhatsApp us or email us for any tutorial video on any topic. All our services are entirely free of charge. And this was a mobile view special, so we will be waiting for your comments in case the text, the writing is not clear on small mobile screen. We will be back again with more such useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.